Hey everyone, Joffrey here, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something exciting, the brand new Huawei Watch D2. A smartwatch that's not just smart, but also focused on your health. Let's dive straight into the unboxing and give you the first look and quick review. But before that, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, click that bell icon so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get started. Alright, so here is the Huawei Watch D2 box. Looking sleek and minimalistic, as Huawei's packaging always does. Let's open it and see what's inside. Right on top, we've got the Watch D2 itself, beautifully displayed along with the large-sized straps. First impressions? It's got a premium build with that smooth titanium frame. Let's set that aside for a second. And underneath, we have the usual suspects, the wireless charger, user manuals, wrist measurement tools, and the extra silicone medium strap for those who has a smaller wrist. Now let's take a closer look at the Huawei Watch D2's design. It's got that sleek, modern aesthetic with a robust build. The 1.64-inch AMOLED display is vibrant and sharp. Just look at how those colors pop. And for those who care about durability, the IP68 water and dust resistant means this watch can handle your workouts or even a sudden rain shower. Setting up the Watch D2 is a breeze. Simply pair it with your phone using the Huawei Health application, and you're good to go. The watch runs on Harmony OS 5.0, and the interface is smooth and intuitive. So what makes the Huawei Watch D2 stands out? Well, Huawei has packed it with a lot of powerful features, especially for health-conscious users. First, it offers accurate blood pressure monitoring using Huawei's cutting-edge technology. For anyone managing hypertension, this is a real game changer. It also boosts ECG monitoring, giving you medical-grade heart health insights on your wrist. And if that wasn't enough, there's a SpO2 tracking, heart rate monitoring, and sleep tracking to make sure you stay on top of your health 24/7. For fitness fans, you've got over 100 plus workout modes, from running to cycling, indoor physical workout like aerobics, dancing, martial arts, soccer, basketball, and so on. Plus, it has built-in GPS to track your running routes. One of the standout features of the Watch D2 is its battery life. Huawei claims you'll get up to 7 days on a single charge with normal usage. And if you're in a hurry, the fast wireless charging will get you back to full in no time. Honestly, I used this watch last 3 days on 70% battery. Until now, I still have 20% of battery juice after using it all days. So, what's the quick verdict after this first look? The Huawei Watch D2 combines premium design, robust health monitoring features, and a strong battery life, making it a perfect companion for anyone looking to stay healthy and stylish. Whether you're into fitness or simply want a sleek smartwatch to track your daily activities, this one has you covered. So, if you enjoyed this unboxing and quick review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on our full review coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.